Have you ever heard someone say, spill the tea? If you're new to English, this idiom might sound a bit confusing. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood this idiom. Imagine a coworker asking you to spill the tea during a meeting. You might think they want you to literally pour out some tea, leading to an awkward situation. But spill the tea doesn't actually mean to pour out a beverage. It's a slang expression that means to share juicy gossip or reveal secret information. Let's see how this idiom is used correctly. Imagine your friend comes to you and says, "Hey, did you hear about the big promotion at work?" Spill the tea. In this case, they're asking you to share the latest news or juicy details. Here are some examples of how you can use spilled the tea in different contexts. In a casual conversation, "Come on, spill the tea. What happened at the party last night?" In a negative context, "Don't even try to spill the tea about my personal life." In a humorous context, "Spill the tea, girl. I need all the juicy details." In a literary context, she couldn't resist the temptation to spill the tea about her rival's scandalous affair. In a business setting, "I'm not at liberty to spill the tea on our upcoming product launch." On social media, "Spill the tea, sis. What's the latest drama?" To help you remember the meaning of spill the tea, think of a teapot spilling its contents. The tea represents the juicy information or gossip that's being revealed. One theory suggests that spill the tea originated within the LGBTQ+ community in the 1990s, possibly as a coded way to share information. Another theory posits that tea itself was slang for gossip in certain circles, even before the phrase "spill the tea" emerged. Over time, the expression has become more widely used in popular culture. Some similar idioms to spill the tea include "dish the dirt," "drop the bomb," and "let the cat out of the bag." On the other hand, "keep it under wraps" and "mum's the word" are opposite expressions. Let's try using spill the tea in a sentence. "I can't wait to spill the tea about my weekend getaway." Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. "I can't wait to share the juicy details about my weekend getaway." You can see how the meaning remains the same, but the idiom adds a more casual and engaging tone. Here's a real-life example of how spill the tea can be used effectively. Imagine you're at a party, and a friend comes up to you and says, "Hey, did you hear about the big promotion at work?" Spill the tea. In this context, the idiom helps convey a sense of excitement and curiosity, making the conversation more engaging. One common mistake when using spill the tea is to say "spill the beans" instead. While both idioms involve revealing information, spill the beans has a slightly different meaning of revealing a secret or surprise. Another mistake is to use spill the tea in a formal or professional setting where it may be considered inappropriate. To avoid these errors, remember that spill the tea is best suited for casual, informal conversations. Let's test your understanding of spill the tea. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom spill the tea? A. To pour out a beverage. B. To reveal juicy gossip or secret information. C. To clean up a mess. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with spill the tea? A. Dish the dirt. B. Keep it under wraps. C. Mum's the word. Correct answer, A. 3. Which of these expressions is antonymous to spill the tea? A. Drop the bomb. B. Let the cat out of the bag. C. Keep it under wraps. Correct answer, C. In summary, spill the tea is a fun and engaging idiom. That allows you to share juicy information or gossip in a casual, conversational way. By understanding its meaning, origin, and proper usage, you can improve your English communication skills and connect with others more effectively. Now it's your turn. Try using spill the tea in a sentence and share it with us in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're incorporating this idiom into your everyday English conversations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting idiom lessons.